Alright, here we are, Canadian Junkyard. Okay, pro tip here. Hey everybody, welcome back to your favorite YouTube show, Fixing Random Crap with Craig. Today we are replacing, actually, this pool filter, and I wanted to point out something that I learned, sort of by accident, about how to make it a lot easier to get the sand out. As you can see, I've already drained all the sand out. Sorry, I drained all the water out, so you can see all the sand down there, but it's really hard to get your hand in there. In the past, I've used a hummus container, not unlike that one, to try and get some sand out, but that's a real pain. So what I learned was this pro tip of grab your Sawzall. You can see that I already cut it. Actually, I just thought about making this video after I cut it. Cut her like right around, and then boom. You get a shovel in there now. This sand should be out of here in 10 minutes. So yeah, just cut out that big piece. Thing's going in the garbage anyway. And yeah, hopefully that saves you some time. See you next time.